Hey Math 8, all right, this con, find angles in isosceles triangles. Not too difficult here, okay? So first of all, you got to remember the three angles inside here have to add up to 180 degrees, which I'm sure you do. The other nice part about isosceles triangles is this side here and this side here are exactly the same. So on an isosceles triangle, two sides are the same, so I'll highlight that for you. What that means is that whatever the degree is at the end of this leg has to be the exact same degree at the end of this leg. So I'm going to actually put in a 56 degrees there. So then all we have to do at that point is we simply add those two together. 56 plus 56, or 56 times 2 is 112. And then we simply subtract 112 from 180, and we realize that the leftover angle right here is 68 degrees. Okay. Now, the other way they ask this one, you're going to notice on the second example here, here's my length of 5, here's my length of 5. So these two match up, which means this one right here at the end of this leg is x, which means the angle down here is also an angle of x right here. So what you do now, to figure out what's left over, we know that all three sides is 180. We know this one is 88. So if I subtract 88 from 180, I know that I have 92 degrees left over between these two angles. Since they're both exactly the same, we're just going to divide this 92 in half. So half goes here, half goes here. And what we get when we do that is 46 degrees. So this is 46, that's 46. So x is 46. That's all there is to it, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.